Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy group chat invite link on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we have to go to our Instagram direct message to open our group chat. Click on this icon on the top right, and here you have to select a group chat you want to copy the invite link. And for example, I'm gonna go with this group chat. We can click on the group chat to open it, and then we can click on the group chat's name right here. Okay, like this, and this is my group chat invite link. Then if we want to copy this link, we just need to click on it, then just click on copy. Okay, and now the group chat invite link on Instagram has been copied to clipboard. And I guess that's how we can copy group chat invite link on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.